Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to hide bookmarks bar in Chrome keyboard shortcut. So let's start. Open your Google Chrome browser and here you can see I already opened one web page related to news, okay, Indian Express. Okay, in this news you here can see the below the address bar showing the bookmark bar. Okay, so this bookmark bar I'm going to hide by using the shortcut key by keyboard. Okay, just press the Control plus Shift plus B in window. So I press here Control plus Shift plus B and here you can see the bookmark bar is hide. To show again, press the same shortcut key Control plus Shift plus B to show the bookmarks bar. In Mac, you can use the Command plus Shift plus B to hide and show bookmark bars. So hope you understood. If you like this, please subscribe. Thank you so much.